Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll see the difference among the TCP protocols and the UDP protocol. So we know that both are the transport layer protocols, and mainly the TCP, transmission control protocol, will be used in connection oriented networks, and UDP, user datagram protocol, used in connection less networks. So we'll see what are the differences among those two protocols, right? So I'll write here TCP and UDP. Okay, so here I'll write the category. So first one is a name. So what is the full form of this one? This is a transmission control protocol. Transmission control protocol, and here it is user datagram protocol. And the next, connection type. So this is a connection oriented. So this will be used in connection oriented. So that means before starting the sending and receiving of data, the connection should be established, and immediately after data transfer, connection should be released. But here there is no connection. There is no connection establishment and connection release, only directly send and receive. So this is a connection less networks, connection oriented and connection less. Okay, next, flow control. That means the rate of transmission. Okay, so from sender and receiver. So there is, so available, the flow control will be available in the TCP, because based upon the receiver's side, so the sender will be keep on reducing the transmission rate. So if receiver wants to receive the messages, so the sender will raise or increase the flow of packets, right? But here it's a connectionless, not available, no flow control. Next, ordering means, here the packet ordering. So in TCP, the packets will be received in the same order. So follows the order, follow ordering. So whatever the order the sender sends the message or packets, the receiver will be receiving in the same order. But here, no ordering. So the packets may reach in any order. Okay, next, speed. So obviously the TCP will be low speed. Okay, less speed, and here it is fast, because here we'll be using the acknowledgements, okay, retransmissions and everything here. But here there is no acknowledgement, no retransmissions, so automatically it will be very fast delivery. And packet delivery. Coming to the packet delivery, guaranteed. So here we are establishing some connection and we are sending the packets. If any packets are lost during the transmission, automatically those packets will be get retransmitted. But in this case, there is no connection establishment, right? Directly we are sending the packets, so there is no guarantee of delivery. No guarantee of delivering the packets, right? Next, suitable for, so for which purposes it will be suitable. So whenever the accurate transmission, so without any error, okay, accuracy, more accuracy, but here no accurate, so fast transmission. So if you want to send the data in a very fast mode, so if you're not bothered about the guaranteed of delivery, so you can use this UDP. Acknowledge, that means if the sender sends a packet to the receiver have to acknowledge the sender, so that I have received this packet and I am expecting the second packet. So here it is a connection oriented, so the acknowledgements are available, so it will send the acknowledgement, the receiver will be sending the acknowledgements. Here no acknowledgements, no guarantee, no acknowledgements. Reliability, so how far the data can be received without any errors, so during the transmission some data may be corrupted or some data may be lost. So if that situation happens in TCP, it will be retransmitting the packets. So whatever the packets that has been lost during the transmission, those packets will be retransmitted, but here there is no retransmissions. So this will be reliable and this is unreliable. Okay. The next one is a congestion control. Congestion, that means heavy load in the network. So this is the connection oriented. So there will be a connection establishment between the sender and receiver. So there might be a chance of having the congestion. So yes, congestion control can be available in TCP, but here there is no congestion control. There is no fixed path. The next one is a header size. So both the protocols are having the header size. In our previous sessions, we have seen the headers, TCP header and the UDP header. So this size of UDP TCP header is around 20 to 60 bytes. So we have seen some 40 bytes are the optional. Okay, so 20 bytes, 32-bit words will be there. So 20 to 60 bytes, and this is only 8 byte, very small. Okay, next, examples. Simply we can say mailing. Okay, and here live streaming is an example for UDP. So it doesn't bother that data has been really received by the receiver or not. Okay, it will be keep on moving, right? If any one packet has been lost, that doesn't affect the particular streaming data. Okay, so that's why this will be an example for a UDP. And email, so that is an accurate, so whatever the data you are sending from here, so the receiver will be receiving the same data in the same order. So email is an example for TCP. So these are the major differences among the TCP protocol and the UDP protocol. So if you know about the connection oriented and connectionless, every point you can write on your own, right? So connection oriented means there should be a connection establishment before sending and receiving, and after completion of that, connection release should be there. So definitely there will be ordering, whatever the order we are giving, the same order the receiver will be receiving. And if there is any packet loss, automatically the lost packet will be retransmitted. And as this is a connectionless, all those things are not possible in the UDP protocol. But this is a very fast transmission and this is a slow transmission. Okay, so hope you understood this one. I'll stop here, and if you are having any queries regarding this differences, feel free to post your doubts in the comment section. Definitely I will try to clarify all your doubts. And if you really enjoyed the session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.